Now the parade is done. The Rajpath area is being cleared of all the dignitaries. Now let's take you straight to another part of the national capital where the farmers' protest has escalated in a very big and very serious way. There is tear gas that has been fired. There have been barricades broken, attacks on vehicles. You can see farmers wielding dandas. This is a very, very tense situation in different parts of Delhi. This is not what the Punjab farmers had agreed to. They had agreed to come in only around this time at about noon is when the tractor rally was supposed to have begun. But as you can see from the Singhu border, Ghazipur border and elsewhere, the tractor rally began many hours ago and large numbers of protesting farmers have entered the national capital, and there are clashes taking place in different parts of the national capital in Delhi, in fact. I want to take you across. So as we get these pictures, we have live coverage coming in from our people on the ground. Rajdeep Sardesai is at the Singhu border. Ankit Tyagi is in Ghazipur. Aishwarya is in Ghazipur. Anisha and Ashutosh are also at the Singhu border. Rajdeep, I want to come to you first. You know, the tractors broke those barricades. They entered many hours ago. The tractor rally was supposed to have started now. Some pretty tense, dramatic scenes we are seeing from different parts of Delhi. You are at the Singhu border. Tell us what you see around you. What are you hearing? Take us through what's happening.
Well, I think, Shiv, while early morning there were a couple of instances where the farmers or the protesters tried to break the police barricades, it's mostly peaceful now. What is clear, though, is the numbers are much greater than we anticipated. There was talk that the police would only allow 5,000 tractors. Forget about 5,000. We're now talking about tractors that could exceed 1 lakh and more. Virtually every farmer, it seems, from Panipat all the way down to the border, the tractors are extending up to Panipat. That's about 100 kilometers away. So clearly, the numbers are much greater than we imagined. The mood has been mostly festive and not belligerent. And I think you're hearing music, a song. There's a sense of festivity among the farmers, mainly from Punjab and Haryana, a few from other parts of the country. But the sense one gets is that this is the farmers trying in a way to get their voices heard. The symbolism is unmistakable as the number of tractors line up across. You can see that they are there literally chock-a-block, and I'm talking about an extension up to about 100 kilometers there, Shiv.
Huge numbers. Anisha Mathur happened to be on the ground when those barricades were crossed, shortly before 8 this morning. That is about 4 hours ago when the tractors actually started coming. So the numbers must actually be very large. Anisha, at the Singhu border, you were there when that dramatic eruption happened in the morning. Things are a little calmer, it appears now, happening in a more orderly fashion. What do you see around you? Because you were there in the morning, so you can compare.
Well, Shiv, I have been now I am about 5 kilometers away from the border itself, and it is now 12 o'clock. At 5 minutes to 8, the barricades were broken. People started coming in, and even now you can see my camera person is showing you, Sachin is showing you, till the border, even now people are walking down, tractors are coming in. There are still thousands of people who are yet to come in, and far ahead of us towards Mukarba Chowk, which is about 4-5 kilometers further ahead, there are the rally is going on. So it's very clear that the rally itself is several kilometers long. At this stage, there was a little bit of trouble at Mukarba Chowk, where one section of the farmers has tried to break the barricades, go towards Ring Road, towards ISBT and Burari. The interesting point is that the farmer leaders are saying, Sahyog Kisan Morcha is saying that is a different faction, but the Sahyog Kisan Morcha is going to stick to the route that has been given by the Delhi police. There is a lot of color around us here. Shiv, there are banners, posters, flowers, decorations around us on every tractor. And I'm also going to try and speak to one of the people here. ये पंजाब सिंह जी, जरा हम आपसे पूछना चाह रहे हैं, आप ये दूल्हे के भेष में कहाँ जा रहे हो? हाँ जी, दूल्हा बन के कहाँ जा रहे हो? चेहरा बांध?
दिल्ली को दिल्ली से मैरिज है ना।
अच्छा।
हाँ जी, पंजाब सिंह वेड्स दिल्ली।
पंजाब सिंह वेड्स दिल्ली।
हाँ
जी। So this is the kind of color we are seeing. This is the kind of enthusiasm we are seeing. आप कहाँ से चल के आ रहे हैं?
फिरोजपुर से।
फिरोजपुर से आप कितने दिन हो गए आपको दिल्ली आए?
सानू 2 महीने हो गए थे। मतलब रिश्तेदारों को इकट्ठे मेल जो है, जो रिलेटिव है, इसको जो मतलब 60 डेज हो गए थे, मतलब एकत्र होते हैं।
तो बारात लेके दिल्ली जा?
हाँ जी।
तो कहाँ क्या जो रूट पुलिस ने बताया था वहीं से जा रहे हैं क्या आप इधर-उधर?
और जैसे आगे जैसे सिस्टम किया होगा घर वाले ने, उसी से चलता जाएगा।
उसी से चलता जाएगा।
हाँ।
क्या मैसेज देना चाह रहे हो आप?
मैसेज ये देना चाहते हैं कि जो दिल्ली ना साड़ी मतलब आनंद कारज हो गए, तो उसके बाद जो काले कानून है वो रद्द हो जाएंगे। तो रिलेशनशिप बन जाएगी ना, तो रिलेशनशिप के आफ्टर कानून रद्द। Okay. Thank you very much.
So Shiv, you can see the kind of enthusiasm, the kind of things that are being said here. The farmers are at least around here, it has been completely peaceful. But up ahead at Mukarba Chowk, there was a little bit of trouble. Our colleagues Kamal and Ashutosh were there, where they've seen tear gas shelling also happening. But here, at least on the highway that is coming from the border towards Delhi, because we're still further away from the main city right now. Here it is all peaceful. It is all loud. There is a lot of noise, there's a lot of songs, there's a lot of slogan shouting, but it is all peaceful, at least here. But it has been going on for 4 hours and the crowd does not seem to be thinning down. So that is what we are seeing most of all from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. right now. More and more people are still coming in. We have not seen any lull in the crowds. Back to you.
Take you to Ghazipur, where Aishwarya and Ankit are standing by to give us a situation report from there. I just want to show you these pictures from the Noida mode. This is the border between Delhi and the suburb of Noida, where there has been tear gas and shelling. These were the dramatic pictures from Noida just a short while ago, where there was a lathi charge taking place, tear gas being fired, and clashes between the police and the protesting Punjab farmers on their tractors. These are tense pictures. This happened a short while ago. We'll have a ground report from this area in just a short while from now to get a real-time situation report on the Noida mode. Remember, this is one of Delhi's largest suburbs of Noida. This is where the India Today offices are also located, so we're not very far from where this is taking place. Our reporters, as always, in the best possible situation to get you these pictures of what is taking place after the farmers have come in today. Force being used by the police, tear gas, lathi charge also, as rules continue to be flouted as per permissions previously granted. I want to take you now from Noida, from these dramatic pictures in Noida, which we'll keep on our screens for a moment. I want to bring in Ankit Tyagi, who's with us from the Ghazipur border. Ankit, from the Ghazipur border as well, what's the situation there? Are tractors coming in from there as well? There were 3 entry points from which this rally was supposed to take place. What's happening in Ghazipur, Ankit?
Shiv, we are way inside the national capital. Ghazipur is far behind. Farmers started at 10 a.m. They broke the first barricade on the Ghazipur flyover itself. There were buses lined up. The farmers rammed their tractors, and then from there there was a T-point which was supposed to go. One side was supposed to go on the designated route. The other, the police had barricaded with a container. There was a scuffle between Rakesh Tikait and the farmers from Punjab. The farmers from Punjab, in fact, let me just show you the dramatic visuals which we are witnessing right now. If I can tell you, we are on our way to ITO. We have already crossed Akshardham. We have already broken the barricade at Sarai Kale Khan. From there, the farmer tractors have taken a right and they are on their way towards Pragati Maidan and ITO. So we are way inside the national capital. All the routes, both the sides of the road have completely been taken over by the tractors. Though this entire rally was supposed to go on a pre-designated route, that has not happened. The farmers, especially the young farmers, those who had come in the last couple of days, and especially from Punjab, have been extremely aggressive. Rakesh Tikait had a scuffle with the farmers from Punjab. They broke the route, and after breaking the route, they are now well inside the national capital. All around me, I'm in fact on top of our car right now to trying to give you, a bird's eye view of what is happening. All across there are tractors. The police at every barricade, they had put buses and containers, were heavily outnumbered, and tractors with the tricolor is the only scene that you are seeing right now. There were certain barricades which were put here as well. The tractors you will see, was used to ram those barricades which are broken here. So once again, right now, we have reached the intersection of Pragati Maidan, where the police has put up another set of barricades, and this possibly the last. In fact, I will ask my camera person Dinesh, he will show you that board, the signage board, which is on the top, the blue board, which shows you left is Pragati Maidan, straight is Rajghat, and straight if you go to ITO and ISBT. So the farmers, there is a very clear distinction that the farmers, leaders, those who had agreed to certain routes, only a handful of them have gone there. Rest have completely broken the barricades. We are waiting, and this is shaped. There was very tense moments. I saw policemen right in front of the tractors trying to stop them. The farmers were not at that point of time listening to anybody. The numbers possibly which was anticipated both by the Delhi police and also by the organizers of this entire protest, they misjudged the numbers. The numbers are much higher than what was anticipated. I can tell you for sure from Ghazipur only, it's been more than 5,000 tractors which have entered from Ghazipur. And to try and control this kind of a crowd it already was a humongous task, with the police hoping that they would follow the path. The farmers, faction of them, which have broken the barricade, now going on to the other side, trying to go towards Rajghat and ISBT. This is a confrontation brewing right now, because the police somewhere will have to make a stand, and that is where it is going to get ugly.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.